Exercise 8.1, Problem 8, Discussion. The external surface area of a hollow cylinder is 540 pi square centimeter. Its internal diameter is 16 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. Find the total surface area. Okay, let's mark. 540 pi square centimeter is the external surface area. It's a hollow cylinder. Internal diameter is 16 centimeter. Height is 15 centimeter. Okay, so these are the things which is given here. Please note few things. The external surface area is given 540 pi, so which means in our formula we don't need to substitute 22 by 7. Okay, you might get it cancelled. That is one thing which you have to keep in mind. Next, they have given it's a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder means you will have inner surface as well as outer surface. Here they have given external surface area, and in this case they have given the internal diameter. Okay, so these are the two things they have given, so you have to be very careful. This will be 2 pi r, that is the surface area in this case will be using the smaller r, that is a small radius, whereas in this case it will be using the external radius, which is a capital R. Okay, now let's write it. CSA external equal to 540 pi centimeter square, inner diameter equal to 16 centimeter, and that is that means radius equal to 8 centimeter. And this is again one more place you got to be careful, because they have given diameter here. You immediately have to convert it into radius, because all our formulas are based on radius. Okay, if you substitute 16 centimeter for radius, you will be getting wrong answer. Next, height is equal to 15 centimeter. What are we asked to calculate? We are asked to calculate the total surface area. Anything else? That's it. So let's write it. Need to calculate total surface area. What's next? Let's link a formula, total surface area, to the given information of inner diameter and the height. CSA is given extra. Let's see why they have given it little later. Formula TSA equal to 2 pi into external radius plus inner radius, external radius minus internal radius plus height. Okay, in this formula if you see, we want to calculate TSA, but we cannot calculate TSA because we don't know the external radius. So unless we calculate capital R, we will not be able to use this formula. So next you see the additional information which they have given here. CSA equal to 540 pi centimeter square. You have to use this information. So write the formula for CSA. CSA external equal to 2 pi into capital R into H. Okay, so in this case CSA is known and H is known, which means capital R can be calculated. Once we know the external radius, that is a capital R, we can use that value here and the internal radius and the height to calculate TSA. So as usual, try to go in the reverse direction. First write the formula for the given, write the formula for what is asked and see whether you will be able to get it with the given information. If you are not able to get it, go to the next step to find out what is the missing information. In this case, the missing information for us the capital radius, that is the external radius. If we know that, we will be able to calculate. So you'll have to think backwards, but while doing, you'll have to think, or you have to do it in the forward direction. Start from given and start working forward. Okay, let me summarize the steps. Substitute the value of inner radius, height and the CSA, which is 540 pi centimeter square, in the formula CSA external, that is equal to 2 pi into capital R into H. Suppose they have given internal CSA, you will have to use 2 pi into small r into H. Okay, that's the key information here. So in this step you will be able to calculate the capital R. Then step 2, calculate total surface area by substituting values of inner radius, outer radius and height in the formula TSA equal to 2 pi into r plus r into r minus r plus h. Okay, here capital R we know, so there is no problem in calculating TSA. Capital R is calculated in step 1. That is it in this problem. Let's pause it here, and then you go ahead, try this problem, try to do it on your own, then come back, see the solution. Given CSA external equal to 540 pi centimeter square, inner diameter equal to 16 centimeter, implies radius equal to 8 centimeter, half of diameter, height equal to 15 centimeter. The formula for CSA external is 2 pi into capital R H. So 2 pi into capital R into H is 15, that is equal to 540 pi. If this is the reason we don't need to substitute 22 by 7. Since they have given pi here, this pi and this pi will get cancelled. Okay. So capital R will be equal to 545 divided by, take this 2 pi and 15 to the right side. So 540 pi by 2 pi into 15. So pi and pi will get cancelled. 15 into 2 is 30. 540 by 30 will be 18. Okay, so capital R, or the external radius, is 18 centimeter. Now you substitute this value and the smaller r and the height in this formula. TSA equal to 2 pi into r plus r into r minus r plus h. That is 2 pi into 18 plus 8 into 18 minus 8 plus 15. That is 2 pi into 18 plus 8 is 26. 18 minus 8 is 10. 10 plus 15 is 25. So we get 2 pi into 26 into 25. That is 1300 pi centimeter square. That is going to be the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you have got this problem right. And if you have not got, please check where you have gone wrong. And if you don't understand the problem, please go back to the discussion part of it and try to get it right. Once again, thank you for watching.